like, I'm sweating. I'm really, really sweating.
Did you see the text about that? OMG, how do you dress your children? -5 waiting for the bus, +50 in the afternoon.
Yes.
I never know what to do.
Yes.
This one, I'm using my warmer fall jacket. Kids are layering, but my younger son's fall jacket zipper broke yesterday. So I put on his winter jacket this morning to find out he grew and couldn't bend over to pick up his bag. I also couldn't actually tie the jacket together because it was too tight.
Aww.
Here's 105 for you.
Hey, welcome to Co-Watch 2020.
So I teach kindergarten, and I am 100% usually against, like, accepting that it's winter. But I'm cold today, so I might have to bring my mittens tomorrow because it was cold, and my hands are still cold.
But tomorrow's supposed to be 8 degrees.
Oh, I know, it's so ridiculous because it's so hard to tell the kids, like, keep all your stuff on, and then, oh, yeah, sure, take it off. And I don't know. Mother Nature needs to get together.
Crazy.
She needs to get it together.
Yeah, I've been saying for months now that Mother Nature has COVID-19. She's gone undiagnosed. No one has given her a swab. What is going on here?
I know, like, come on now.
Share.